Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'm going to update my POCO X8 Pro to the latest version of the HyperOS 3.0 update. Yes friends, today I'm going to update this latest update from Android 15 to Android 16. We're going to do the update in the POCO X8 Pro. And let me show you exactly what is our update size and features it did include with the latest one. So as you can see, it's a HyperOS 3 and update size is of close to 6.4 GB's update size in the POCO X8 Pro, and which will improve slightly and smoother experience and performance enhancement and optimization. A lot of optimization has been done, and latest HyperOS 3.0 I've been already using on the POCO F7 device. So in the POCO F7, I've been using this device for the past 15 days with the latest version of HyperOS 3. So definitely a lot of features going to be like pretty similar. And first thing is that we're going to check the performance. I'm going to check the battery life, how it's impacting on the POCO X7 Pro after updating to the latest version. So there's few things about the Xiaomi Hyperland as well. So where the dynamic island got included, that's also pretty bonus thing. And next, revamped visuals. A lot of visual changes has been happened. Comprehensive system app optimization. So in every application, there has been some changes did happen with the latest one. So this list will keep on going, guys. So that's why I'm just skipping everything. So let me to click download. And right now I'm going to download this latest update in the POCO X8 Pro. And once after the download, we'll try to see how much time it actually takes to install and set up the HyperOS 3.0 in the POCO X8 Pro. And during this time, if you want to know more details about the POCO X8 Pro, kindly follow the channel for the more information on the POCO X8 Pro device. And the playlist videos also will be really helpful. So as you can see, these are the latest uploaded videos on the POCO X8 Pro device. 1 hour ago, 56 minutes ago, 2 hours ago. Click on the videos. You will get all the list of videos in one single line. As you can see, this many videos I did upload in the POCO X8 Pro device already. You can get complete clarity about the battery life, RAM management thing, each and every aspect of the device. So right now the update gonna download, and I'm gonna be back after some time. So finally friends, the download has been finished. HyperOS 3 in my POCO X8 Pro, as you can see. So let's see how much time it actually takes to completely extract this update and install this update as well. So right now it's showing 100%. So let's see when it shows extracting. I'll start the stopwatch. So right now the stopwatch has been started, and we'll try to see how much time it actually takes to extract this file and install in the POCO X8 Pro after this HyperOS 3 update. So that's what this video is about. We'll try to monitor how much time it actually needs. So in this way, you'll be able to know exactly how much time you need to spend in terms of the update wise, how long it's gonna take. So meanwhile, follow my playlist videos for more information on the POCO X8 Pro device. My playlist videos will definitely give the clear idea about the phone, what you should know before you buy the device. I will be back after some time. Right now, as you can see, friends, it's been kind of close to 15 minutes of time. The file of the HyperOS 3 is extracting at this moment, and after 16 minutes we got the update of finalizing, as you can see. So let's see how much more time this gonna take. So this kind of finishing pretty fast, not bad. So overall, like 15 to 20 minutes you can estimate the overall time to take to install the HyperOS 3 update in the POCO X8 Pro device. So 15 to 20 minutes of time it may be taking in the device. So right now it's kind of finalizing. So once after this HyperOS 3 update, I'm going to do like a lot of benchmark testing and battery draining testing and performance, RAM management testing, everything on the POCO X8 Pro. So stay tuned for those videos, guys. Definitely, it's going to be really a pretty good thing. So with the Android 16 update, we're going to see what are the improvements in terms of the performance and overall aspect of the device. So right now it's kind of finishing up. So we'll try to see overall again how much time it actually takes to completely install. So right now it's finalizing at this moment, which is not bad. It's kind of pretty good. So updates are ready. Let's reboot the device. So overall, like in 20 minutes of time, the complete update will take. like HyperOS, from HyperOS 2.0 to the HyperOS 3.0, like you need approximately like 20 minutes of time to completely set up this newest update in the POCO X8 Pro. So right now let's take a look at the overall HyperOS first initial booting up HyperOS 3.0. It's the first time booting up the device with HyperOS 3.0 in the POCO X8 Pro. Still it's taking some time for the boot up, and right now as you can see with the HyperOS 3.0 latest installed in the POCO X8 Pro device, and this first time I'm booting the device and you're getting the logo saying Xiaomi HyperOS powered by. Let's see guys how much more will it take. So finally in 19 minutes of time, the complete setup has been completed in the POCO X8 Pro device. This much of time has been taken to completely like extract, finalize and install and reboot and everything, 19 minutes of time. So finally friends, this is a POCO X8 Pro, and just now I did install the Xiaomi HyperOS 3.0 update for the first time, and this is my first time booting up the device as well. Just now the phone got booted up. Let me just show you exactly what is a software update at this moment it is running. So it's a POCO X8 Pro with the latest HyperOS 3 and Android 16. As you can see friends, Android 16 in the POCO X8 Pro. Finally I did install, and this is the latest update, and right now there should not be any updates found. As you can see, there's no updates at this moment, and this is a November security patch update which is there at this moment in the POCO X8 Pro. This is a complete walkthrough guys, step-by-step process. So this is how much time you actually need to spend on the POCO X8 Pro regarding the latest update. And meanwhile, in case if you have other questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely do my best to post the video as soon as possible on the POCO X8 Pro device in terms of the overall. And meanwhile, follow the playlist. So this is a complete playlist videos on the POCO X8 Pro device. As you can see, there are a lot of videos, and try to categorize with the videos and the shorts. You can select on the top. In that way, you'll be able to see everything in one single playlist. Meanwhile, signing off friends. Thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and signing off. Bye.